crossing area, intersection, orange stage, side of the vehicle, 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 move over to the left side. Smart rider. There we go. Fast hands SZ. All right. Not paying attention. Not a big deal. You did a good job with your progressive brake pressure. Handled it very well. Moving on with your day. All right. So here we go. Yardell BH. Going through here. Lots of traffic. We're going to get in front of the other vehicle. Watch out for that vehicle wanting to merge it into you. Just get out of the way. Perfect. Good job. Now we're back into yellow stage. Got an intersection going to orange stage. Oh, red light. Wasn't paying attention. Did not do a good job progressive braking. Slammed the brakes. Locked it up. Lost traction. Fell off the bike. That's what it was. We panicked. We were in white stage. We were in yellow stage paying attention. Very important you pay attention. All right, Eric, are we going to low side or we're going to... Oh, no. Good job adjusting in the middle of it. I'm going to tell you, that was a good job planning. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so what we're going to be doing is planning our ride. We're going to go ahead and review this one real quick. So we're going through the corner. We're having a good time. We have terrible line of sight. We can't see anything around this corner. So what he's doing is he's not going too fast. He's going... I think this is in a different area. 68 might be kilometers per hour because he's not going 68 miles per hour. He's in lane position 2. So I like to be in lane position 2 whenever I'm going through the mountains because it allows me to stay in the middle so that I have a space cushion to the left. I have a space cushion to the right. That's important to me so that if there's any hazards on the side, I have this space cushion. If there's any hazards on this side, I have this space cushion right here. So it allows me to go into the middle. And if I needed to, I can always swerve. And get into the different spot. But then I can always swerve back. And I always liken it to tennis. So on the baseline, you hit the ball way over to the right, you get right in the back in the middle. You hit the ball left, you get right back in the middle. So you're prepped and ready to go to left or right. You're always in the middle. So I like middle, all the way through. And so if something like this happens where all of a sudden you recognize an uncommon thing in a common situation, the vehicle is on that line, not paying attention, your middle area, all you have to do is do a quick adjustment. Now, if you were in lane position 1 hauling ass because you're supposed to go outside, inside, outside as a track day rider, but not on the street, you're going to stay in the middle. You're like, oh, crap. And you have to do a massive amount of changing in that lane. I would rather position myself for safety in the first place so I don't have to do that. So we see it now. We recognize, we're perceived. Now he's going to go ahead and do an adjustment to it and even navigate. This is a red stage. We got to get out of the way. And he's going to try his best to get out of there. And he did. Very good job. Handled it well. This was definitely a smart rider. He seeks and recognizes and understands, and he maintained some good skills to get himself out of there. It was pretty good. But that's why I go middle. Pay attention up front now. Check your pants. Oh, what are we doing? I didn't think he was going to do that. That was a great U-turn, by the way. But what is he doing? What is he doing? We're not going to do this as smart riders. So I take it back. Not a smart rider. Because now we're putting ourselves into another dangerous situation. And we're stuck behind a tractor. All right, we're going to watch this through and just make fun of him at this point now. I thought he did good, but... Class, what do you think? Should he be doing this? Go ahead and grab yourself a donut. Make sure you hit that join button. Become a student at the MTC Rider Academy. Click the link in the description for our e-course. Let's get back to it. So Lightning Scott is riding down here nice and easy, nice and smooth. He sees animals in the road. Get out of the way, little deer. He wasn't hauling ass. He was not hauling ass. He did a great job. He was in orange stage because it's at nighttime. You know, he probably understands, hey, you know, there's deer in the area. Wasn't going fast, so he minimized a lot of his risk. Low visibility. His headlight is barely working because it's at that moment where lights don't really work. His eyes, I mean, he's got a clear shield, so he's doing pretty well. He's got a clear shield here. He's doing pretty well now. What other factors are out there, guys? Write it in the chat what other factors are out there. So low visibility, and then he's reducing his speed to match that visibility. So he's doing a really good job. He sees animals right here, so he's already going to squeeze the front brakes, and he's doing some progressive brake pressure. Very, very important. We're not going to panic and smash the brakes. And the road surface isn't very good. Exactly, Miss Cindy. So road surface isn't good, low visibility, make sure he's not going fast. And now we have another factor. So if all those things together combined and we were hauling ass, we would have probably hit these and not be able to react in time. Did a great job. Very smart rider. Very smart rider. Here we go. Flavius Cosman, Kawasaki Versailles, 1000. All right, what's behind us? What's in front of us? All right, so watch out. We're going to swerve, or not swerve. We're going to navigate around that. Good job. Good job. Check your pants. Don't go forward. Go. Go. They did the same thing you wanted to do. Let's go back. So we're going up to here. We're doing the same thing. Let's take a quick look. So our lane is slowing down. You can see all the lights. You know, everyone's slowing down. This is now an open spot on the left side. It's increasing because that vehicle is moving. So what we're going to do is go over here. What do you think this car did? What do you think this car's doing? The car's doing the same thing. It's doing the same exact thing. So now we're going to move over because it's open for us. And yes, should that vehicle check its mirrors? Yeah, of course, because you can tell right here that the vehicle's over there. We got this vehicle, so we're not cutting anybody off, really. We're not doing that. So since we did that, based off of our decision, what do you think this person's going to do too? They're going to want to move over also. So what we can do is that when we do go over, we just get in line. We don't try to gun it and get out of there because this person wants to do it. This person wants to do it. This person wants to do it. So we don't want to gun it and get ourselves in a dangerous spot to get hit. What we're going to do is do what we wanted and just move over. That's it. That's all. So we anticipate others will do that, so we just get in line. Let everyone else in or be cautious when you pass them. It's very simple. What he did, though, put himself in that situation because this person wanted to do the same thing he did. What he did great was swerve into the escape path that is available to him. He did a great job with that. Did a great job. And that's what it is. He was able to escape, got out of it. It was a close call, but why is it a close call? And that's what I want everybody here to understand why. Because if you don't understand why, you're going to keep doing it over and over and over and over again, and you're going to decide to quit, or it's going to be that one time you actually crash. We moved over because the line was slow, and that line is moving. That person moved over because this line was slow, and that line is moving. If you're going to do it, anticipate somebody else wants to do it. And if somebody else wants to do it, and it's going to be a cause of harm to you, then you should be doing something to prevent that. And that's what we're doing in this class. We did it. They did it. We swerved. But let's not get into a position where we have to swerve. We should anticipate those people doing it and getting pissed off at them. You did the same thing. Domcat BMW S1000RR. Or just one R. Sorry. It's nice to be seen. Okay, side of the vehicle. Okay. Is that it? Oh, so he's letting us know this is an after action review on this end. So right here we have that line of sight problem. We have a line of sight problem. We can't see around the vehicle. We do know it's an intersection coming up. We see a little bit of that nose peeking out. You can see it right next to the right of that brake light. Okay, there we go. Now we can see it, but look at, he's slowing down. He was slowing down. He's still slowing down. So guess what? Already, smart rider. It's already a smart rider. We saw the situation, and we're doing some good progressive braking. We're going to go ahead and adjust a little bit. Very good. Move over. Okay, very good. And we're going on with our day. Non-issue. 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 Good job on Domcat. Good job. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.